Alright, today's video, I picked up some Tide laundry pods before they're banned. According to this picture, you're not supposed to eat it, and according to this picture, you're not supposed to pour it into your eye socket. It does look like a big gummy candy though. It smells like laundry soap. I'm gonna try something here. Hey buddy, do you want likes on Facebook? Here, eat a Tide Pod. You don't want to eat laundry soap? Kids on Facebook are doing it. Come on, eat it. No? Don't want to eat a laundry pod? How about you, gray kid? Eat a laundry pod. You'll get likes, and you'll go viral. Yeah, here. No? So, you guys don't want to eat soap? No? You don't want to eat soap? Here, eat soap. Here, eat laundry soap. No? No laundry soap for you? Okay. You don't care about Facebook likes. Are you scratching up a doghouse? Here. No? Really? Aww. Okay, let's try out these Tide Pods for their intended use. Laundry. That looks like an extra large laundry load right there, so I need to use 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. So, recommended use for these is to clean your clothes or towels. Don't eat them. Okay, my laundry's gonna be done in 26 minutes. My camera's not focused. Focus. But it smells good. I could smell it even with the lid closed. Maybe I used too much. That was borderline large. It's like 1 pod for a small load, 2 for a large, and 3 for extra large. It was like borderline, so I just threw 3 in there. But it doesn't smell like food. It smells like laundry detergent. So don't eat it. Use it to do your laundry.